I hope I'm audible to everyone, and today we will solve another problem. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it, and also you can share with your friend and make sure you like the button. Okay, so today question is reverse linked list. Okay, so first understand the question and then move to the implementation part. So in this problem, uh, given a linked list, okay, this is the input and we have to just reverse the linked list. Like the original linked list is this one, 10, 20, 30 and 40, and if we reverse the linked list, like if we change the linked list from uh, 10, because initially the linked list is from 10 to 20, so we can change 20 to 10 this way. So after the changing the link, the linked list will be look like this: 40, 30, 20 and 30. Okay, so let's another example like 10, 20, 30. So our output will be 30, 20, 10. Okay, so okay, let's move to the another example. Like if we have only one node, so in that case, like in this case, we just return a single node, because the reverse and without reverse, that node should be equal. Okay. So next, the example is if there is no node, like if linked list has no node, like linked list is empty, so in this case we also return null, same linked list. So okay, so let's move to the approach how to solve this problem. So there are certain methods to solve this problem. So I will discuss one by one. So first approach is a naive approach, okay, and in this naive approach we can use extra space, like using extra space, and we store the value of linked list into vector and traverse the vector from the end and make the linked list. Okay, so for better understanding, I will take a example of linked list. Like given a linked list is 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so in this case linked list is 10, 20, 30, so we can make a vector and put their value into that vector, like 10, 20 and 30, and iterate from the end, like first iterate 30, then 20, and simultaneously we will make a linked list like 30, then 20, 10. We can make easily, like using the pointer we can make easily linked list. But the problem is here, we can use here extra space. This is not space, this is time complexity too. So it takes big of an time complexity and big of an extra space, and also it's take two traversal. Why it's take two traversal? Because first it traverse traverse the whole linked list to make the vector. Okay, to make the vector, and second one is for, like we make four four linked list, because we make a linked list from the vector. Okay, so let's move to the another approach which can be more optimized than this one. So in this approach, we just uh, reverse the link, not their data or value. Like if initially this is our linked list, so we can change, just reverse the linked list, this one to this one, and this one to this one, and x3 to x4 will be changed to x4 to x3, this one, and head is now pointing to x4. All right, if head is pointing to x4, and we can make a certain condition. So x1 is pointing to null and head is pointing to x4, and if head is pointing to x4, so we will just return head. All right, if we return head from here, so this is our reverse linked list. Okay, so so we will jump to the code, and also just take an example and for the better understanding. Okay, so this is a code for this problem. So this is not much lengthy code. Like, I will take an example, okay, for better understanding. Like, if we have a 10, 20 and 30, all right, and null, and we have three pointer like current, previous. So in the initially, current has a pointing to head, okay, and head is pointing to 10, and previous is null and current is also null. All right, so after the first step, we will assign head into the current and null into the both previous and next. Okay, so in the second step, there is a loop. Okay, and loop will be a started till if current will be not equal to null. All right, so current is pointing to here because it's equal to head, and let's previous and previous, this is previous, and let's suppose this is current, this is next. Okay, so next and previous is pointing to here. All right, so after this step, the next step is current is equal to next is equal to current to next. So the current is here. All right, and next we can assign current next into next. So after the first step, like in I will write down the step here: a, b, c and d. All right, so after the first step, first step a, next will be equal to current next. All right, so next is jump from uh, here to here, like next is here. All right, after the first step, in the second step, current next will be equal to previous. Okay, so current next, like this is a current next link, so it will be changed to previous, and in the previous value in assign in previous is null. Okay, so it's pointing to previous. Okay, and then we can remove head for the better acceleration. Okay, because there is no need to taking a head here. After that, the next step is previous is equal to current, so we will change previous to current. So previous is pointing to 10 now. All right, and then after this step, the next step d is current is equal to next. So current is equal to next, so current next is pointing to 20, and then also uh, current is also pointing to next, and this is a previous. Okay, so after this step we will done. So there is no value like current is equal to not null, so we will move another in the in while condition. So the next step is similar to previous one, like next is equal to current next. So next is pointing to here, and then we will make a like we will remove this link and make a link from current next to previous in the step b. Okay, So after that we will assign previous into current. So previous is pointing to 20. Okay, previous is pointing to 20, and I will erase so better understanding. So now previous is now pointing to 20. All right, and this this link will be removed, and next is here. All right, so next is here, and after the step D, the current is also here. All right, and after this step we will iterate, because here current will be not equal to null, so we will iterate in another times for the loop. And after that current will be like current next will be uh, pointing to previous. Okay, so this loop, this link will be made, and this will be removed from here. Okay, and after this step, like next is pointing to null here. All right, and I will remove from here. Next is pointing to null, and previous is pointing to 30. All right, and also current is pointing to null. So in this condition, like in the if current is equal to null, so in this case we are out of the loop, because if current is equal to null, so we are out of the loop, and whatever we having the previous we just return. Okay, so if we return previous, so this is like if we return previous, so our linked list look like 30, 20, and 10, and null. So it is our required linked list, which can be reversed by the certain step. So it's, if we talk about the time complexity, so it's like big of n, because it's traverse the whole linked list. And if we talk about the space complexity, so it doesn't take any extra space, so it is O of 1. All right, so I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's jump to the another method, which is, because this is a iterative one. Okay, so we will discuss also the recursive one. All right, so recursive one is also similar to this one. Like in the recursive approach, like we have a linked list. Okay, so according to question, given a linked list and given also head, so in the recursion we will apply the recursion in the uh, except the first node, like except the x1 we will apply the recursion on the left node, like on the x2, x3, and x4. Okay, and our faith is like, if you apply the recursion on this part, so after this after this recursion, the linked list will be look like this, like it will be reverse. Okay, and the next step is like the important step is, this linked list will be reverse, and we have a this node. So we just connect this linked list to this node. Okay, if we connect this node to this linked list, like uh, this rest link list, so we can make a linked list which is reverse of original. So there are few certain space sorry, there are few certain step which can be make this one to this left linked list to join the first one. So let's jump to the code and understand with some example. Okay, so this is a simple code for this problem. Like if we have any example, let's take an example like 10, 10, 20, 30. I will take similar example. Okay, and if we apply the recursion, so any recursion, the first step is we apply the recursion on the only like except the head node. So head is pointing to here, and after the applying the recursion, okay, so the next the linked list will be look like this. So 20 30 is pointing to 20, all right, this way, and head is right now here. Okay, so we have done first step. Okay, so what is our next step? In the next step, what can I do? So in the next step, head next to next equal to head. It means the head next is this one, and head next, so head next will be equal to head. So in this step, if you apply this step, so our linked list will be changed like this one, like because head, what is the head next? Like head is next, this pointer is, this link is head next, and this is one is head next. So if we change this, like if we change this node to head, so it is obviously pointing to like head. So this is similar one, like this is similar to this one. So after that 20 is pointing to 10, all right, but the problem is head is here. Okay, and we after the second third step, we make head next to null. So head is here, head next to null. So after the head next, it will be look like this, all right, like head is equal to, head next is equal to, and the remaining node, like remaining node is pointing to here, all right. So remaining node is pointing to here, and if we observe, so our linked list will be already changed after the this step, all right. And after this step, what can we return? Because we can't return head, all right, because like a head is here. So if we return head, then the returns linked list will be not reverse. But if we return remaining node link, like a remaining node pointer, so it will be uh, like having an address of 30, and if we have any pointer have address of 30, so if we will return that node, so it will be returned like a reverse linked list, like 30, 20, 10 and null, because now remaining node is pointing to 30. So it will be also uh, reverse the linked list. And if we talk, so it is our requirement, and requirement is fulfilled here. So if you talk about the time complexity, okay, so if you talk about the time complexity, so time complexity is also similar to previous one, like big of n for the time complexity. And if we ignore the a stack called a space, so the a space complexity will be big of n. So this is a space complexity big of of1 and big of n for the time complexity. I hope you understood this problem in easy manner. And if you are new to channel, please hit the like button, and also please subscribe my channel for the this type of informative video in upcoming days, because I will put one video in every day of DSA. So my current DSA is chapter is linked list, so I will cover all the important question from the linked list, and then after that I move to the uh, another another chapter. Okay, so I hope you got this, got the point how to solve this problem. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe my channel and also like the button, and you can also share this video with your friend. Okay, thanks.